Welcome to Zia's Kitchens. Today let us make chicken kofta curry. This is very delicious and very tasty curry. This is made of minced chicken. Now let's get started. For this I have taken 600 grams of boneless chicken, washed thoroughly with salt and turmeric powder. Now we have to cut this into small pieces. Now add it in a mixer grinder and just grind this. And now add it in a bowl. Yes. Now we have to add finely chopped onions to this. I have taken one large size onion and one green chilli finely chopped, little of coriander leaves chopped, half a teaspoon of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, salt as per your taste, and half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and squeeze half a piece of lemon. And also we have to add 2 tablespoons of roasted gram flour. Instead we can use ordinary gram flour also, but I am here using the roasted gram flour. Now mix this together. We have to mix this thoroughly. Now this is done. Apply little oil in your hands and just we have to make balls. The size of the balls you can take according to your wish. Now this is done. The chicken balls are ready now. We have to just shallow fry this. In a hot pan, add little oil and arrange the chicken balls, chicken koftas in the oil. Some people directly add the chicken balls to the curry, or some people fry and add to that. So I am just shallow frying this chicken balls. Now when one side is done, just slowly turn it to the other side. When both the sides are done, we have to just take it out. Now this is done. Wow, this looks so tempting. Now this is ready. Now let us make the gravy. The same oil, we have to add the whole garam masalas. I have taken 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 piece of bay leaf, 3 to 4 cardamoms and 3 to 4 cloves. Saute well and now add the onions. I have taken 2 medium size onions, just roughly chopped. Just saute well. The onions should become just lightly golden brown in color. When it becomes golden brown in color, add the ginger garlic paste. I have taken 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute well till the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder and 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Just mix everything well and just saute till the raw smell goes. Now we have to add the tomato puree. I have taken 2 big size tomatoes and just made puree in the mixer grinder, and now just add to this and add the salt and mix well. Now you can see the oil is just oozing out. Till that we have to saute. Now it's time to add the water. Add 1 cup of water to this. Let the gravy boil. Now add 2 tablespoons of yogurt or curd and let it boil now. When it starts boiling, we have to add the chicken koftas which we fried. We have to add the fried chicken koftas to this. Be very careful. Now slowly we have to rotate the pan. You should not break the koftas. We have to be careful in rotating. We need not saute with the spatula. Just turn it to the other side and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Finally, add little coriander leaves. Beautiful, looks beautiful and very aromatic. Now this is done. This is the minced chicken kofta curry. Very delicious and very tasty curry. We can have this as a side dish for any naans or rotis or parathas. Now it's still boiling. Now let us serve this in a serving bowl. Arrange this in a serving bowl. This is it. Minced chicken kofta curry is ready. Please do all try this and give the feedback. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and also share to your friends and relatives. Please do not forget to click the like button. Thanks for watching.